Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from Amazon Alexa. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to go ahead and turn off their notifications from Amazon Alexa. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and go into our settings tab and then click on settings. Next, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says notifications. Notifications is located right above sounds and haptics, so click on that. From here, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down till you find your Amazon Alexa app. So click on Amazon Alexa, and then from here, you're going to see a toggle button. So if you click on this toggle button, notice how it turns on the notifications and all these settings appear. But if you toggle it off, those notifications actually disappear. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications from Amazon Alexa. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.